Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. Today I'm deep cleaning the garage, aka my kids' playroom. If you didn't see that video, I'll put it up in a card for you right here. But yeah, it's getting dusty out here. The weather is also getting hotter, borderline blazing in the early afternoon and raining more often. So this is the alternative play area for my kids when they can't play in the backyard. So I want to pull out all of the toys. I'm washing the ones that my kids play with the most, wiping down surfaces, dusting, vacuuming, and then finally steam mopping. If you like motivational cleaning videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any more of my future uploads. I do have more spring cleaning content coming up on my channel, so make sure you also turn on your notifications so when I upload, you will be notified. I'm starting with just putting things I'm going to wash into bins like blocks and Legos. Emir is here not really to help, just to watch me and be close to me like always. I asked the girls to bring me any toys they found inside. There wasn't really many because they usually play out here. I did that to keep the rooms and living room clean, but that doesn't always happen. I should have did the dishes that morning before filming this video, but I didn't, so I'm going to load up the dishwasher, then hand wash the toys in their bins with a little dish soap and hot water. I'm letting the toys soak for a while before rinsing them off to make room. Instead of doing it this way, I'd suggest getting some mesh dishwasher safe bags and running these all through the dishwasher. I felt like I was wasting a lot of water, so for the rest of the toys, I'm going to wipe them all down one by one, but I'd rather go through cleaning cloths than a bunch of water. Back in the garage, I'm putting things away and putting them together. This way, when I wipe them down, I'll just put them right back. And while we're here, I'm gonna tell you guys where some of this stuff is from. The toy organizers are from Amazon. The 4-cubby cubicle is from IKEA. The play kitchen and dollhouse are also from Amazon. The table and benches, grocery store, are also from Amazon too. The foam flooring is from Sam's Club, but if I can find a link, I will link that too. The wardrobe where I keep the kids' stationery is also from IKEA. I'm trying to remember what I get questions about the most, and whatever I can find, I'll link in the description. Like I mentioned in the intro, it's getting really hot in Florida, so I'm going to put an air conditioning unit out here for the kids, a portable one. I'm not installing it. This isn't my house. I'm renting it, by the way. I feel like I should say that more often, but anyways, when I do buy a house, which I'm planning on after all of this is over, I will be installing air conditioning in the garage. My parents did that and I love that idea, especially living in Florida. Garages are like saunas in the summer. Now I'm gonna start wiping everything down with this cleaning vinegar that I found on Amazon. It smells like pure vinegar. I don't know why it says citrus scent on it, but not a hint of citrus whatsoever. It's strong, strong. Not like the other one I showed in my last cleaning video, but it's all sold out now. I'm just going to wipe every toy and surface with this spray and a cloth. Self-explanatory, so I'm gonna take a break from talking and play some music. Remember, if you guys like the music in my videos, be sure to check the description. The songs are always linked.
I don't wanna fall asleep, don't wanna fall too deep into what isn't real. Here is where I need to be, with you lying next to me, better than my dreams. You open my eyes, kiss me alive. I don't wanna go to sleep. Fireworks when we touch. A million years is not enough. Oh, 'cause you lie next to me. It's better than my dreams.
My son, sweet little Emir, he's 4 years old by the way, he came out to keep me company, but he was more interested in the garage being open. They were in the backyard playing while I was filming this video, but he came out and started jumping on the trampoline. But I know him, he runs off randomly, so I'm keeping an eye on him and telling him not to go anywhere, stay right there. But he kept looking at me, like looking for an opening, and sure enough, he ran off. My neighbors were outside as I was filming. I'm trying to not draw attention to myself to avoid questions about why I'm filming myself. And he runs off. I put his behind right in timeout, and his teacher watches my videos, and I told him, I'm gonna tell your teacher, naughty boy. Oh my gosh, I broke a nail. My nails are a lot longer than normal because I haven't been to a salon in a month, and it broke down so far. Filming the rest of this video was painful. I had to run and get a band-aid, and immediately after this video, I soaked them off with acetone, which was even worse than the nail breaking to begin with. He tried to come back out until he saw my vacuum. I love this cordless vacuum, you guys. It's the Shark Rocket Pet Pro cordless stick vacuum. I found mine at Bed Bath & Beyond for 20% off. It had great reviews. When I shared on Instagram, a lot of you guys said you love this vacuum or you own a Shark cordless vacuum and love it. I love it. I'm fully impressed with the suction and battery life. The Dyson I purchased a few months ago is being returned. I should have just got the shark to begin with, but you live and you learn. I'm not brand loyal, by the way, or sponsored, just giving you guys my honest opinion. This is something that I do at least once a week, steam the flooring. My kids don't eat or wear shoes out here, but it's good to keep it clean anyway since they do tumble and lay on this while playing. I'm using my shark steam mop, which I also love and use in my videos all the time. I sprayed a little of the vinegar spray on here too, just to use it up, but you don't need any product with this. It'll clean and sanitize just fine with just water. And that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a thumbs up and I'll make more like this. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. And as always, thank you so much for watching and I will talk to you all in my next video.